Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Wildflower Celebration stamp set and some new products. One of them is, or a couple of them actually, are from the scrapbooking brochure. So here I have the word celebrate, and I am stamping that down on a piece of basic white, and I have my piercing mat underneath so that I get a nice clear impression. So I'm going to fussy cut this word out. I don't think that there are any dies that fit this word, and that's okay, because I don't mind fussy cutting. And you know, if there are no dies for the actual words that you have, you can just use your scissors and fussy cut this out. I don't know where that term fussy cut comes from. I think it's like a quilting thing. But I could be wrong. I bet you somebody in the comments is going to let us know. So check the comments. And I do thank you so much for commenting on the videos. It really helps the algorithm. Okay, so as I have finished cutting it out, and actually if you don't have any Stampin' Up paper snips, you might want to get them. They are so sharp, super, super sharp, makes fussy cutting very, very easy. All right, I have our multi-purpose glue here, and I am spreading it on the back side of my die cut word. It's not die cut, it's fussy cut, but we'll pretend. So, and I'm just taking my finger here and smearing it, trying to get all the edges. And you can see that Lost Lagoon piece of card. So I am going to apply that to this, and then you guys, we're fussy cutting again. And I promise you the second time is easier because it's more sweeping cuts, not so intricate. It's not so fussy. Yeah, you say stuff on video too and see how you like it. Okay, and you can see up there in the top right, I have some pretty paper. That new paper, and my goodness, is it ever thick? It's slightly textured. It is beautiful. So if you're a paper person like me, you might want to get it. It is called the Everyday Happiness Designer Series Paper and Sticker Sheet. So there's a sticker sheet that goes along with it. And if you're just buying the paper alone without the sticker sheet, you can do so. But why not get the sticker sheet? Because we're going to use the sticker sheet on this card. And you never know, I might do a little scrapbooky scrap and share with you, how to use the sticker sheet. I never say no to extras on there. If somebody says you want a little extra whipped cream with your hot chocolate, yes, please. Yeah, don't ever say no, really. So that is gray granite cardstock, and I did put that on basic white card, and we're putting it all together. So that was very simple. So I have some mini and regular sized Stampin' Dimensionals on that fussy cut piece, but I've chose just to use it as a I haven't stuck it down yet. So that was the sticker sheet. This is the 12 by 12 designer series paper. You get 4 sheets of each design, which gives you a lot. You could easily do a scrapbook with this. So pretty. Really thought that they were very nice. They're softer in some, and yeah, very pretty paper. Again, everyday happiness. And then here's the sticker sheet. And so I'm going to choose some stickers to go along with my card, because you don't have to just use the sticker sheet for scrapbooking. You can use it for card making too. And it's a sticker, so no glue, no nothing. You just place and stick. And it's not enough. I need another, and I'm going to stick that right there. And then I'm going to choose a heart as well, and I'm going to put that together. So I'll take the release paper off my dimensional adhesive, and I'm going to adhere my celebrate down. So you guys, You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So that is my card for today. I want to say thank you so much for watching, subscribing. Please do so if you haven't done yet. And commenting, you guys. I love that. I love to answer your comments back. Oh, and before I forget, this was called the Rainbow Adhesive Back Dots, and I used the Lost Lagoon color. So that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.